Hello lovelies, in today's video we are going to make yam and spinach recipe. These healthy dinner ideas will blow your mind. In fact, let's get into the kitchen. So here are the ingredients I am going to be using. You can adjust to your choice, and I'm using spinach, frozen spinach, 500 gram, and I'm also going to be using this one tuber of yam, and also my ginger powder, my black pepper, my onions, salt to taste, and red oil. This time we need red oil to make this recipe. There is other one ingredient I did not show here, and that is our milk. We are going to use milk, our whole milk, in making this recipe. So let's start by chopping off the back of the yam. So here I am already slicing and cutting the yam the way I will be able to chop the back off. And as I was doing it, I was being disturbed by my little girl, but that's okay. So let's go get into the recipe. This yam recipe we are preparing, maybe if you're interested in making this recipe, because I urge you to make this recipe, you will love it. And you can find this yam tuber in any maybe African shop, depends, Indian shop. You can find it even in the Chinese shop if there is any, maybe any food selling stuff, and you will get this yam there. Depends, because where I stay is a bit costly, but it's okay. So if you're interested in making this recipe, also let me know what you think in the comment section. So I'm chopping off the back of the yam and slicing it the way I am going to cook it, and that's it. So enjoy the video as we do the cutting. So now that we are done slicing, I'm going to do the washing and pouring it into the pot we are going to cook it with 1.5 cups of water. So, and I'm cooking it on a high heat, and cooking it for about 8 to 10 minutes. So now I'm checking to see if it's okay. So right away it's not yet ready, it's remaining a bit, so we're going to cover it again. Now it's ready. We are going to sieve off the water. So right away I'm adding 1 cooking spoon of red oil and adding half of our chopped onions, and we are going to give it a raw stir and let it, you know, heat up a bit and cook little. Then the next thing we are going to add is our spinach. Like I told you, it's like chopping the spinach. So I chopped the spinach, the 500-gram frozen spinach I told you, and I'm adding it into our red oil and onion. And the next thing is to give it a stir again. So right away I am going to be adding ingredients, which is half tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt to taste, and stir again. You can adjust, you can add any ingredients of your choice, any spices of your choice. It's up to you, but I don't like too much spices, so I like things simple, and that's why I do it this way. It's up to you, you make up your choice. So I'm going to be stirring again, and I'm going to be adding 80 ml of our whole milk. So we are going to add it into the recipe, and also half tablespoon of our red pepper, and give it a stir. So now I'm leaving it. I purposely leave it in the fire, in the heat, so that the spinach can get a bit cooked, you know. I don't want to overcook the spinach, I want it half cooked. That is why I'm just stirring it in that form. Right away we are going to be adding our cooked yam. So, and stirring, make sure the whole spinach incorporates with the yam, and you know, that's it. You will love this recipe if you make it. So if you like this video and you want to see more of this kind of videos, consider subscribing to this channel. At the same time, remember to turn on your notification so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get to be notified. So right away it's time to dish out our meal. Oh my goodness, you will love this recipe, I tell you. You will love it. So here you can see how the recipe is. I urge you to prepare this. This moment I have been waiting for. Testing. Who is salivating? Honestly, oh my goodness. If you are making any meal and you are looking for who to test it for you, invite me. I will do the testing for you. And remember to like and share this video to your loved ones. At the same time, thank you for joining me today, and see you on my next video. Bye.